I'm excited. I'm headed to Stand21 North America, just outside of LA in Huntington Beach, to get fitted up for a racing suit. It's been a long time since I've done this, so they're going to measure me up. We're going to look at some fabrics, and maybe I'll take you guys in. If not, you'll see the final product, but I'm excited. Safety first. All right, I'm back from Stand21 for the second time, and we've got the goods, baby. Had a really great experience with them. First time there, we went over suits, materials, everything like that. Went over design, got them my logos, and it's time to see the result. So I have shoes, gloves, and a suit, and we're gonna unbox them. Let's start at the bottom and work our way up. So let's check out these racing shoes. Nice packaging, made for me, straight from France. I'm excited. Little shoe bag here, fancy. And let's see what we got. Oh, awesome, awesome. So this is their more modern shoe. I tried them, love the feel of them, and it's probably a great time to announce that Birchin Design House, my company, is the title and only sponsor of my race team. So that's exciting. We're keeping it in-house for now. That might change. Hopefully that changes in the future, but this is a great start. So just did a nice black with a silvery white accent, Stand21, and these are gonna be awesome. I'm really excited. Check this out. At the bottom of the shoebox, they actually have in-progress photos of my exact shoes being made. So that's really cool to see. Makes me appreciate the work that goes into these. They're all handcrafted, hand embroidered, and hand sewn. So it came with this gear bag. It's got my name. That's awesome because I didn't know I'd carry it to the track, but now I do. Let's see the gloves. It's marked. Gloves, underwear, socks, and balaclava. Wait, we're starting at the bottom. Let's look at the socks. Nothing custom about these, but they're FIA certified legal fire resistant socks, just black Stand21 socks. I like that. It'll go well. And here are the gloves. Again, really nice container or packaging. Too cool. So we have our sponsor, Birchin Design House, on there, following the same sort of minimal, simple design as the shoes. I love the exterior stitching. It's definitely the most comfortable way to go. And I tried these on. We got the sizing right at my first visit. So I'm gonna put it all on for you guys in a second, but this is awesome. I think it's gonna come together really great. All right, the main event. The piece de resistance. Let's check out my driving suit. Again, all this stuff was made in France. Check that out. Already got the logo on there. Let's look at this thing. I'm a tall guy, so there was no off-the-shelf options that fit me well, so they measured me up at the first visit, tons of measurements, and this is the first time I've ever had a custom racing suit. Back when I used to race karts, they were always off the shelf and never fit me that well, but I didn't even fit in karts that well. It's hard to be tall and be racing cars, but in the GTs it's possible, so let's check this thing out. Kept it simple. You know, I'm vintage racing for now, so this is clean, minimal, vintage vibe. Man, it looks awesome. I have Birchin Design House on the back as well. Let's throw this gear on and see how it looks. What do you guys think? I'm excited. It's been a while since I've been fully suited and booted. I'm running a Stand21 FHR or Hans device as well. The helmet is just a plain black helmet for now, Zamp. Might put some art on it, might switch it out in the future. but I'm excited. Custom suit fits really great, man. And I got Birch and Design House everywhere. So, safety first, but I feel like this might make me a little faster too. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be, but we are doing a test and tune day, testing at Willow Springs, Big Willow, in a week. My fiance is coming with me to bring my race wheels and tires and pit crew a little bit, so I'll definitely be filming there. And then I think some race announcements coming up soon. So anyway, I know, not a lot of people get a full custom suit. I feel very excited and lucky to be able to do this and have something that fits well, and hope this experience was enjoyable for you guys too. Thanks, see you soon.